Rainforest built-in variables allow you to inject discrete, randomized data into your test steps for one-time tester use. They've been pre-created for you to cover common use cases like needing a random email for a sign-up form. Here we can see the names and data fields of the variables available to you. To best demonstrate how you might use built-in variables, let's look at an example scenario where I'm Amazon and I'd like to test my sign-up functionality. Specifically, here's the flow I'd like to test. First, I need every tester to input a unique name, a unique email address, and passwords. Then sign up. It's important that every tester uses a unique email address. If an email has already been used to create an account, the sign-up will not work. After the tester clicks the Create Your Amazon Account button, they should be brought to a new page where they verify their email address. Testers will need to navigate to the inbox specifically associated with the email address that they used to be able to retrieve the one-time password that Amazon requires. After they enter that password, they'll need to then click Verify to complete the sign-up process. Now, let's go back into Rainforest. I've already written a test to cover this scenario. Here we can see the test. I've already selected the Amazon site at the top of the test, and then I've copied and pasted the URL path that will specifically bring a tester to the sign-up page. Next, I have the test steps. The test steps I've written instruct testers to complete the steps I just walked you through on the Amazon website. Now I'm going through and adding Rainforest built-in variables to my steps. In this first step, we're telling testers to fill out the name and password fields on the Amazon page. So we'll need to add the random name variable and random password variable. This will provide every tester executing this test with randomized name and password. Next, we need testers to check an inbox associated with the email they used. They'll need to retrieve a one-time password that Amazon has sent them. Our random inbox variable does exactly this. To testers, our random inbox variable will show as a URL that they should copy and paste into a new browser window. I'm going to use our Click to Copy feature by highlighting over the variable and then clicking Click to Copy. This will allow testers to copy the URL to their clipboard in a single click. Let's preview our test, which will show us the tester experience and allow us to see how our variables will appear to testers. We can see the test steps at the top of the screen. As we can see, we've been given a random name, random email, and random password that we can copy and paste into the fields. Let's move on to our next step, where we need to retrieve our one-time password from our email address. Our random inbox variable appears to us as a URL, and we've asked testers to copy and paste it into a new browser window. So let's do just that. This is how the random inbox appears to testers. We open up the email that was sent to us and input the one-time password to verify our sign-up. And with that, we're done. For more information about Rainforest built-in variables or any of our other variable types, please visit our Help Center.